Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can print document from Pinterest. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, I'm going to open my Pinterest application in my mobile phone, and we can choose a document or an image we want to print. And let's say I'm going to print this image, so I'm going to click on it. But here there is no option to print this image or this document. However, don't worry guys, because we can still print this image. Before we print the image, we have to download it. We can click on those three dots and then select download image. And after that, the image will be saved to our device. And I'm going to check it in my gallery. I'm going to open up my gallery and then open the Pinterest album. And this is the image I have just downloaded, and if we want to print, we can click on the three dots and then select print. Alright guys, and that's all the way to print document from Pinterest. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.